Hey my love bugs, welcome you guys. Welcome to afternoon in my life because it is the afternoon. I just got done filming a real OOTD today's prayer for you guys on like TikTok and Instagram, all that fun stuff. So you guys will see this outfit later. She's real cute, princess vibes. But I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to start dinner because it's already getting like, what time is it? Like 6-7 o'clock. Girl, I don't know, I've just been filming, but yeah, I gotta get started on dinner soon. So I thought you guys can cook with me, and also we'll do some Bible study later, and also do some skincare, you know, relax ourselves. It is Wednesday, it is hump day, it's the middle of the week, girl. So yeah, I'm just happy to be here, happy to be vlogging for you guys. I know it's been a minute. I've been doing shorts lately because those have been so much fun. You guys have no idea, creating shorts is so much fun. But I am getting back to like the routine of daily grind of vlogging for you guys, because that's what I want to do here on my channel, amongst other things. But you know, time will tell. But right now I'm gonna go get started with dinner. I'm gonna go prepare it and show you guys after. I know Bay's here, so I know he wants to chill for a little bit, watch our favorite TV show. Right now we're watching Kim's Convenience Store on Netflix. It is so funny. Uma and Appa, they are freaking hilarious, you guys. I absolutely love them. You guys have to watch it and check it out. So good. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, chill for a bit. We're gonna cook dinner, take a shower, read our Bible, do some stretching, because girl, my back is on fire. Like, my back hurts, so I want to work on stretching. So that's what we're gonna do. So catch you guys in a bit.
He's a very fun people. Even more fun on vacation.
Yeah, I know. I just we saw the Janet.
Next time you have something to say it to our face.
All right, you guys, so I'm in the kitchen and I'm about to make some chicken thighs, also some rice and black beans. I'm gonna do my own little concoction of like what I'm gonna put on the chicken. I already have some rice in here, but I'm gonna make some more. The lemon is to put on the chicken, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started and then show you guys after. All right, you guys, so I'm fresh out the shower. I got my Take It Easy t-shirt on and my lovely shorts that I got from Walmart a few years ago for my trip for Puerto Rico, which these are so comfy, they're so soft. But yeah, I'm loving the new mirror, so much better. But I'm gonna put on a face mask. I got this in an Ipsy bag. Ooh, can't even deal. Got this in an Ipsy bag, so this is what I'm gonna be putting on my face. So let's get started. You guys, so we're gonna do some Bible reading. This is the Bible reading plan that I'm doing for the month of October, and it's all about endurance. So we're gonna do day 2 and 3 tonight. So if you guys want to go ahead and read that and look in your Bible, go ahead. That's what I'm gonna do, and I'm also gonna read Samuel's, but we'll get to that in a second.